Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Symfony dump server in Laravel 5.7. Before moving ahead, please subscribe to our channel so you could never miss our upcoming videos. Now let's take a look at this feature together. If we run php artisan command in Laravel 5.7, if you scroll up, you will find a new command called dump server. It's wrapped around Symfony VarDumper that set up a dump server. If we check composer.json file, here Laravel dump server package is installed. Now let's test it out how it works. I am navigating to route web file. Here simply going to dump hello world. If we view this in the browser, here what we get. However, if we run dump server command on terminal, we see a server is listening and we can quit with Ctrl C. Let's go back to the browser, give a refresh. Now we don't see anything here. Instead, if we switch over to the terminal, here it printed out hello world. What dump server does, it catches that dump and hides it from the UI, and we can review that data on the terminal. This is very useful addition to the Laravel 5.7 and very useful when we are doing debugging or troubleshooting on the production server. Let's take a look at another example. We are grabbing all users and dump these users. Now if we go back to the browser, give refresh, once again we don't see anything here. If we switch to terminal, here is the data. Now let's cast this to an array. One more time refresh, and we will find now that data here. That's all this feature does. And remember, this will also work with DD. Let's give it a try. Now switch to browser, give a refresh. Yeah, it has killed the page. However, it catches the DD content and printed it on the terminal. That's all in this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and see you in the next video.